Panasonic. My name is Peter Baumgarten. I'm an OM System Ambassador, and I just want to show you some of the gear that I'm carrying around with me on a day-to-day basis. For me, the most important thing is light, compact, and durable, and that applies to everything that I carry. All right, let's start with this Wandered Provoke 21 bag. Nice and light, very durable. And inside, my camera of choice is the OM1. Light, compact, great form factor, weather sealed. I can carry this thing around all day. And I've got attached to it the 8-25. This is my go-to landscape lens. I don't have a camera strap attached to it because the ergonomics are perfect. There are times when I definitely want to go long. You can't beat the 40-150, right? It's got a really nice reach, f4 constant aperture, but a very small package. If I just want one single lens to carry around, and let's say I don't even want to carry the bag, then I attach the 12-100 f4. This will get me through almost every situation. There are times where I'm shooting landscapes and there's just nothing to shoot, and then I go small, and I've got the beautiful 60mm macro in here. When I'm out just shooting birds, of course, then I'm carrying another OM1 body with the 150-400. I've got a lens cloth, I've got a headlamp, I've got my Siri travel tripod. As a landscape photographer, filters are critical. I've got a Benro polarizing filter in here. The nice thing about most of the Olympus lenses, they've all got the same thread size. When it comes to controlling the light for sunrise and sunset, I am primarily using graduated neutral density filter. I've also got a couple of extra camera cards in a pocket here. So that about sums it up. For me, the most important thing is light, compact, durable, and very high quality. And that's what I've got. Thanks for watching.